Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a solid environment. Install Python 3, 10 or newer and confirm Python version, then create a virtual environment and activate it so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, pick a framework, Flask for minimal apps or Django for batteries included projects, and pip install the package. Initialize a Git repo and add a simple README. This gives you version control immediately. Make sure to run the dev server right away to confirm the basic setup works before adding features. You now implement core app logic. Create routes or controllers and scaffold CRUD operations for a single model so you can iterate quickly. Then decide rendering. Use Jinja 2 templates for server-side pages or return JSON for a front-end SBA. Either approach affects routing and state. Next, configure your database. SQLite is fine for development, and set up migrations with Alembic or Django migrations to evolve schemas safely. As you progress, run unit tests for each route and use a linter to keep code clean and consistent. You finish by packaging and deploying. Choose Unicorn behind Nginx for WSGI apps or Uvicorn/Hypercorn for ASGI, containerize with Docker if needed, and push to a host or cloud service. Make sure environment variables store secrets, debug is off, and HTTPS is enabled. Once live, monitor logs and set up simple health checks to catch issues early. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip is to inspect server logs first. HTTP 500 traces and DB connection errors reveal the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.